Hi there! Welcome to your new library website. What can I help you with today? Maybe you can try the catalog or our website on the search bar. You can also select from any one of our main menu items and select from the list below. The main website has popular resources like audiobooks and ebooks, online learning and tutorials, or if you're new to the system, you can view how to get a library card. Further down we have new book releases, a calendar feed, library news, and our social media feed. Follow us for more information. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us. We have links at the very top and bottom of our page, or you can visit us at any one of our 13 locations. Also, what were you looking to find at the library again? Have fun!